Today's topic for the National Property and Casualty exam is the Commercial Package Policy, often called the CPP. The core concept the exam tests is its structure and how it differs from other policy types. A commercial package policy bundles multiple lines of commercial coverage into a single, flexible policy. Think of it as an à la carte menu for a business, where they can pick and choose from coverages like commercial property, general liability, commercial auto, and crime. If a business buys just one of these, it's a monoline policy which simply covers a single line of insurance. When they bundle two or more, it becomes a CPP, which is usually more cost-effective. The structure of a CPP is a favorite exam topic. Every CPP, regardless of the coverages chosen, consists of a few key components. First are the common policy declarations and common policy conditions. The common declarations page is like the cover sheet for the whole policy, listing the named insured, address, policy period, a description of the business, and the coverages included with their premiums. The common conditions section contains the rules that apply to the entire policy, covering topics like cancellation procedures, the insurer's right to examine books and records, and premium payment responsibilities. The exam loves to ask about the first named insured. Who is responsible for paying premiums and is the only one who can request policy changes or cancellations? After the common sections, you have the individual coverage parts. Each coverage part, like property or liability, has its own specific declarations page, coverage forms, conditions, and endorsements. An exam trap is to confuse what's on the common declarations versus a specific coverage parts declarations. Remember, if it applies to the whole policy, it's in the common section. If it only applies to the property coverage, it's in the property coverage part. Another key term is interline endorsements. While a standard endorsement modifies a single coverage part, an interline endorsement is a special type that modifies two or more coverage parts at once. This is an efficiency tool, and the exam will test your knowledge of its purpose: to apply a change across multiple lines of insurance within the CPP. Finally, don't confuse the CPP with a business owner's policy or BOP. A BOP is also a package policy, but it's a pre-packaged, standardized bundle of property and liability coverage designed for specific types of small, low-risk businesses. The CPP, in contrast, is highly customizable and flexible, making it suitable for larger or more complex businesses with unique risks that don't fit the rigid structure of a BOP. The exam will often present a business scenario and ask you to choose the appropriate policy type. Here's a simple way to remember the CPP structure. Did Cole cover it? This stands for Declarations Common, Conditions Common, Coverage Parts, and Interline Endorsements. This mental shortcut helps you recall the essential building blocks of any commercial package policy you'll see on the exam. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.